Most people get this wrong when they start using reward apps. They hear different terms like units and points and assume they are completely different systems. But in reality, the confusion comes from how the app labels its rewards. In this video, you'll learn the real difference between units and points on Mistplay in 2026, how they actually work, and how to convert them into real rewards without misunderstanding the system. And stay until the end because I'll explain the one simple rule that helps you avoid losing track of your earnings completely. Let's get straight into it. First, here's the truth no one tells you. On Mistplay, the terms units and points are often used in a way that confuses beginners, but they are not two separate currencies in practice. In most cases, units is the official term for your earnings inside the app. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some users refer to them as points because it feels more familiar. Many reward apps use the word points, so people naturally assume Mistplay works the same way. But inside the system, everything you earn is tracked as units. For example, imagine Alex starts playing a game through Mistplay. As he progresses, he earns units for reaching milestones and leveling up. Those units are stored in his account balance. There is no second hidden currency running in the background. But here's the problem most beginners face. They think points and units convert differently, or have separate values. That leads to confusion when trying to calculate earnings or redemption thresholds. Now let's break it down simply. Units are what you earn. That is your reward currency. Points is just a casual way users describe those same units. There is no separate conversion between them. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Your focus should not be on the name, but on how fast you earn them. Different games inside Mistplay give different unit rates based on progression speed, not time spent. For example, John might play for 2 hours in a slow game and earn fewer units, while Alex plays a high-reward game for 1 hour and earns more. Same effort, different results. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to think about units so you never get confused again. The simplest way to understand it is this. Think of units as loyalty credits. You collect them by playing games, and once you reach enough, you exchange them for gift cards. There is no separate conversion system between points and units because they are essentially the same thing in everyday usage. So to summarize clearly, Mistplay uses units as its official reward currency. The word points is just a casual term users use, but it does not represent a different system. The biggest takeaway is this. If you understand that units and points are the same thing, you can focus entirely on earning strategy instead of getting confused by terminology. If this helped you understand Mistplay clearly, make sure to like the video, comment your questions, and subscribe for more simple reward app breakdowns like this.